I didn't want to make this video, but my wife has been abusing me so bad lately, and I don't know what to do anymore. It's gotten to a point where, oh God. Okay. She has now.
So hear me out. I've heard the responses. I've seen the comments. You guys are tired of those sit down videos. I'm sitting down being boring, giving you guys 5 tips, 5 tricks, all that shit you guys don't want to see. I get it. I'm sorry. You know, I was just trying to help everybody out. I mean, I know you guys liked them, but you also were getting kind of bored with them. So we back to vlog. We back to third person, following my life, showing you guys the jewelry, showing you guys the lifestyle, my beautiful wife that you guys love to see. Y'all gotta cool down with the comments though, because I know she's cute and everything, but damn. That motherfuckers be talking about, where is she? If she get on camera, where is she? We miss her. You miss her? Damn. We're back to vlogs. Like I said, things are gonna change in 2023. I want to entertain, I want to motivate. A lot of you guys are always questioning me on like my jewelry, things like that, things I can't even really get into because I haven't been vlogging. I haven't been showing the lifestyle. Again, that's what we're gonna be doing. Today's video, a very special video, very highly requested video. It's gonna be a live trading session. Now, when I say live trading, I mean literally live, like MetaTrader live on the screen, my face cam live on the screen, TradingView live on the screen. We're gonna be trading live. You guys are gonna be watching my actual reaction, see exactly how much I make live. You're gonna watch me open the trade, close the trade, and pretty much give my entire reaction, see what I'm doing the day of a trade, how it works. You guys are gonna get the whole process. It's gonna be a nice little vlog for you guys, man. So I appreciate you guys. You guys have showed mad support lately. I love you guys. If you guys are interested in my free Clarity Forex app, where I teach people how to trade for free, it's 100% free. Down below there's a link. Clarity Forex on the App Store or Google Store, all that good stuff. Like I said, it's free, no upsells, none of that good shit, none of that horrible shit, I should say. And let's get it popping. So look, one question that I get a lot is how much did I spend on my jewelry? People always ask, what that piece right there cost? What that cost? So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna break down a couple pieces for you guys real quick, because I'm sure you guys are very curious. So I want to break down a couple pieces of jewelry for you guys, man. I've been getting a lot of questions on this and have not answered it. So first thing I want to show you guys is the AP. This is the buzz down AP. We spent about $58,000 on this piece right here. Above that, there's a little unique Cuban right here. Can't really see it on camera because it's really blurry, but this piece right here cost me 20 grand. We got the star pinky ring because you know I'm a star, and this piece right here in particular was $10,000. It's 10 carats of diamond. This piece right here is a little Cuban. I can zoom in on it. This piece was 10,000. This piece was 30,000. I just picked up this Cuban right here from Peter Marco. This piece was 70,000, and the piece above 35,000. And before you guys, you know, say, oh, it's probably fake, it's fake jewelry, blah 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 blah, let me just pull up some appraisals for you guys. First things first, Happy Jewelers. That's where we bought this piece right here, appraised at about $22,000. Sometimes they appraise over, you get good deals. I paid 20, like I said. It's appraising for 22. You know, it's good for insurance purposes. Right here we got the buzz down from Peter Marco. Like I said, this joint right here was $58,000, and it's currently appraising for about $68,000. So again, it's appraising higher, but that's normal because I got a good deal on it. Now for the big boy right here, as you guys can see, we got an appraisal at over $80,000. I paid 70 grand for this piece right here, but it's going to appraise higher because guess what? I got a good deal, but it's worth more because this piece in particular got almost 80 carats worth of diamonds. This is like 600 grams, close to, you know, more than half a kilo. So it's a big piece right here. But again, I just want to show you guys because I want to be transparent with you guys and show you guys, yes, the jewelry's real. Yes, I'm really spending big bucks on it, and it's motivation for you guys because you guys can do the same thing. That's all I'm trying to do for you guys. I'm not trying to flex or show off, but instead I'm trying to show you guys that you guys can do the same, man. It's not that hard. You work hard, you get where you want to do, you get where you want to be, and at the end of the day, you spend money on whatever you want to spend money on. It's your money, and that's what I'm trying to get you guys to understand, and that's how life should always be. Now, we can't trade tonight because it's Sunday. Tomorrow we're going to be live trading. I'm going to try to get some sleep, even though it's like 6 o'clock. So I'm about to go take a shower with my wife. Okay, that part's not getting vlogged, you fucking perverts. It's not gonna be vlogged. Okay, I'll catch y'all tomorrow. 7 in the morning. We're a little bit late to trade, so we got to get to trading. The same. So here. Cool. That's cool. All right, guys, so today I'm going to be trading US 30. Now, what I'm looking at on this trade is very simple. It's the same thing I'm always looking at. Price created resistance here. We're on the 5-minute time frame. Very, very simple resistance was created. Price cannot break above this point. Now, if price breaks this trend line here, I'm going to take my short position. It's going to look something like this. We're going to risk a decent amount, but we're going to have a nice tight stop loss in this area. We're going to probably target these lows in this area. So it's going to be like a nice 1 to 3. It's going to seem like a lot, but for this size, the count that I'll be using, it's really not that bad. So again, 1 to 3. We're waiting for this trend line to break. We're coming off of this resistance. Price does not seem to want to break above the resistance, but we do want to see a break below this trend line, and the rest should pretty much be history. Pay the bills and be done. It should be a pretty simple day. That's what I'm looking at right now. We'll see what happens though, guys. Of course, nothing's guaranteed in this industry. You know, price could look beautiful like it's gonna happen, but then at the end of the day, it could reverse and it could sadly make you lose fast. So that's just what we do. It's Forex trading. There's nothing guaranteed here, but trading is all about probabilities, right? You want to have a high probability that your trade is going to take profit. If you can do this consistently every single day with high probabilities, well then most likely you're going to be a successful winning trader because you had a high chance of winning and you applied a great strategy and you do the same thing every single day. Eventually you're going to become a good solid trader. So, you know, I'm going to show you guys exactly what it looks like to have a nice winning trade live, and kind of like a mindset and how I go through my trades and what it feels like sitting here. When am I going to get out? When am I going to take my profit? We're going to see all of that right now. So I'll come back to you guys when price does start to break. We'll enter our position and we'll go from there. All right, so now I'm going to be taking a sell position here. I know it sounds extremely weird. Why would I take a sell position here? Let me enter this trade and then I'll tell you guys exactly why. We're going to be doing 7.50. It's a big trade. Okay, this is going to be a big trade. Okay, we're risking a lot. But let me go ahead and break down why I'm selling here. You guys are probably really confused. So if you're looking at this trade, okay, obviously we see a breakout to the upside. However, I personally do not believe that this is a breakout. I believe this is a fake out. What I mean by that is I think that price is faking to the upside and is now going to drop down and take everybody out. Okay, now the reason I believe this is because we are way too bullish right now. We are showing just extreme urgency to go up. We got to breathe. Price has to breathe. And what is a better time to breathe? As you can see, when price goes up, price always comes back down. Price goes up, price should always come back down. My target area is pretty much still going to be this area here. Now again, here's the problem with being this bullish. Here's the reason I really think that we're probably going to drop. Not only do we need to breathe because we are in a strong bullish streak right here, but I believe this is the perfect time to reverse and take people out. So what I want to do is I want to trade against the average buyer who's buying and putting in more money as price is going up. I want to actually sell, trade against 80% of traders today and make my money. Now, I can't guarantee this is going to be a successful trade. You may be watching a horrible trade. I might lose, but this is how it goes. It's probabilities. This is just how Forex trading works. I truly in my heart believe price is going to drop. I believe we're going to be taking people out right now. And when price hits my target area of probably maybe even here, but down here is really where I want to go. If I'm liking the profits here and it starts to reverse, then I'm going to take my profit here as well. First take profit zone will be here. If I'm really feeling confident, maybe I'll adjust my stop loss and we'll aim for down here. But I want you guys to check this out, man. I really, like I said, believe this is going to be a fake out, and I think we're going to make a lot of money here. All right, guys, so we're currently up about $30,000 in profit. I want to show you guys, obviously, like I said, I did expect price to drop from this point. We are dropping. And now we're even closing below that original breakout zone. So we got two confluences telling us it's time to sell. I'm gonna be holding this trade, man. $30,000 in profit. I know a lot of you guys are probably looking at it like, close it, close it, close it, close it. I'm not gonna close it. I'm gonna hold tight. I'm gonna wait, and I'm gonna at least get down to, you know, my original area, maybe a little bit above, but at least this original area of where I said price is gonna go. I gotta stay mentally strong. If I lose this trade, I lose this trade. I'll come back tomorrow. We'll do the same thing, and I'll try to gain a lot of money on just single trade. It's just the way it is. It's having good risk rewards and being patient. So we'll see what happens though. You know, we're up $35,000 right now. Like I said, I'm not looking at the number of profit, but I'm looking at my area where I think price is. Now, at worst, I will close in this area. At worst, for the video's sake, but you know, I do want to at least target this area, if not this area. But we'll see how things go. I gotta, you know, look at price, see if price is doing what I want it to do, all that good stuff. But I'm ready to close profit when it's time. I mean, I'm gonna have this screen ready. We're gonna close that profit and we're gonna see where we're at. Oh my God. The Clarity Algo put out a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful look. Let me tell you something. Clarity Algo is the best indicator on the market. If you guys are interested, clarityalgo.com, link in the description, all that good stuff. But let me tell you something, man. This is the best indicator you will ever find for buy sell signals on any time frame. I'm talking about a 1 minute time frame. Just said it's time to sell. It's time to sell on a 1 minute time frame. I don't know why my camera's getting blurry, but let me show you guys how accurate the Clarity Algo is. And again, if you guys are interested, clarityalgo.com, link in the description. But this thing is deadly. It's giving me extra confluence to hold this position. I feel better about holding it. Now we are getting told it's time to sell on a Clarity Algo indicator, man. This trade is going to be a piece of cake. I'm not worried about this candle. This is going to reverse right here. As long as price doesn't come back up into this area, is going to continue to drop, and we're going to continue to make a lot of money. So Clarity Algo, we have the breakout, and we also think that we're in a stop loss hunt zone where the markets are hunting people's stop losses.
Check it out. We're continuing to drop, man. It's a 1 minute time frame. No indicator out there is going to tell you what to do on a 1 minute time frame like this is going to. So with that being said, man, I'm gonna come back to you guys in a little bit. See what we're up actually currently really fast. We are currently up $45,000 in profit. As you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but we're up $46,000 in profit, man. That's what it's all about. We got the sell indicator coming in. So I'll come back to you guys when we're up about, we'll say, by the time we get to where I want to get to, we're gonna be at probably close to over $100,000, but I'll catch you guys in a little bit, man. All right, guys, so we're officially hitting this little bit of a support zone. I know I wanted to target down in this zone, but again, I don't want to risk losing this trade. We are up a really good amount, more than I expected. So I'm going to close this trade right here at $70,000 in profit. That's how we're going to wrap up the day, man. Again, just to show you the settings, this is a real account. Obviously, this is no bullshit. Obviously, it's 1.3 million in there, but it's what I do. I have huge accounts, or I'll turn 400 or 500K into 1.3 million, and then I'll withdraw whatever's on top. So, you know, price may continue to drop, and it looks like it is going to hit my zone. It shouldn't affect me too much. I would have made, you know, maybe an extra $10,000, which of course it's a lot. But again, tomorrow I'm gonna be doing the same thing. I'm gonna trade the same way. Listen, we had a fake out. I knew this was a fake out because price is too bullish for too long. Price has got to breathe. That's just how life works. So when price starts to breathe and starts to come down, we start to notice, okay, you know, this is probably a fake out. You know, we're going to take out sellers. Now, the second thing that you have to do is understand where are sellers probably going to put their stop loss, because that's what's going to be targeted is stop losses. You're going to see stop loss hunts occur. Where's that stop loss going to occur? Now, my original theory was to hold price down into this zone. Again, I probably could have, as price is still dropping, so that's hard to see sometimes. But realistically, most people aren't placing their stop loss there. Most people's stop losses are in this zone here. I got out right about here in between, and I'm okay with that. Price is still dropping, and it's currently breaking my heart because we probably could have made a lot more. But again, you never know. It's easy to watch the markets after you close and say, I should have done that, or I should have done this, but you can't really tell things live like that. So it's okay. You just got to learn to just live with it. For all we know, price is going to shoot up right here, and I'm going to be happy I got out. So again, you want to see where people's stop losses are most likely going to be. In my opinion, most of the stop losses are going to be here, but there is going to be some stop losses that do drop below this zone. Very, very unlikely that stop losses will be down here. That's too big. A lot of people don't want to take a loss like that. But people are taking this breakout trade. They think we're going to continue up. We got buyers pushing in, and the markets are going to dump and actually take as many people out as they can, meaning they're going to look for stop losses. Where's everyone's stop loss? Stop loss 1, definitely below this support zone. Stop loss 2, below this support zone, because as price starts to come down, people are going to be like, oh shit, I'm going to get stopped out. Let me just go below this one just in case. And that's when you see things like this happen, where it barely spikes below. This is taking people's stop losses out and now probably going to fill orders and continue back up. Personally, that's what I think is going to happen. But again, that's all I'm looking at. I'm looking at the opposite of what most traders are doing. Now, I do trade breakouts all the time, but fake outs are a real thing and they happen very often. So you got to be able to look at both, trade both, and analyze both live during the market. Now, on top of that, I showed you guys on the 1 minute time frame, the clarity algo was saying it is time to sell. Now, there's no indicator like the clarity algo. I'm going to just say that right now, okay? Clarity algo, when it says on the 1 minute or 5 minute time frame, or any time frame for that instance, it's time to sell, get ready to sell. And we have it coming in. I'm going to show you guys exactly what it showed. But as you guys can see, the clarity algo said it's time to sell. As we're breaking out, it's showing confluences with what I'm saying. I mean, we're breaking out like my original analysis said. We got the fake out, and now the clarity algo says to sell. And look at the droppage just from when it said sell. If you would have just said, I'm gonna wait till it says sell and then entered, you literally could have caught 1,300 pips or 136 points because it's US 30. It's ridiculous shit. It really is. How accurate it is scary, and we're still dropping. I don't even want to see it. Matter of fact, I'm closing this out because I can't even look at this right now. This is just upsetting. I didn't even listen to my own clarity algo. That's just unfortunate. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. I gotta get a haircut. At this point, I really got to get a haircut. My guy's been here for a little bit. I did not want to stop trading. I wanted to watch it live and do all that good stuff, all that fun stuff. But yeah, at the end of the day, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Let's go get this money. Let's have a good time. Oh shit. Shit did not. I thought it was gonna swing everywhere. It didn't. It is what it is. Just a little update for you guys. As you guys can see, price did exactly what I said, and now it's reversing strongly. So pretty much missed out on a few pips, but nothing crazy. And we live to see another day.